What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 10 of the grade. Today we're talking about how to create that dark moody look. As you see, we got this video here. I'm going to play a little bit of it. So I'm going to stop there. So you see how the greens are very dark. I'm going to show you how to get this look. We're not going to use the exact power grade I use, but we're going to do it with the power grade that we've already learned. Here we go. Here's our power grade that we've already learned. We got our CST, balance, saturation, all that stuff. Film look. So this is the raw clip. Just me standing there. And then we're gonna turn on all my nodes. Boom. That's a little darker than I want, so I'm gonna lift the shadows just a little bit. See, that's too much. So if we lift them a little bit, right there. So to get my greens a little bit more greener, because without this node, they kind of look kind of bland, I use my color picker and I selected right here to select the greens, and I went to this node and we're going to switch this over. I increased the green gamma by 1, so you see the difference. Turn it off, increase that by 1. I'm just trying to get a more moody green. And then what we did was we go to this node and we go here and we drop our saturation down just a little bit. Creating a moody dark look is not just having an underexposed image. It's about what you're trying to show with your image. That's it for day 10. Thank y'all for watching. Tune in for day 11 where we're talking about creating a bright and airy look. Deuces.